Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the types of acceleration student. In general, if we compare the acceleration, then there are the two type of acceleration student. Uniform and non-uniform. Now first we will discuss that what is acceleration. Acceleration means the rate of the change in velocity. Means when the velocity is changed per unit time, then that is known as acceleration. There are the two type of acceleration student, uniform and non-uniform. Uniform and non-uniform. Now with the help of this uniform and non-uniform words, you can easily understand what is uniform motion. Yes student, what is uniform motion? When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then that motion is known as uniform motion. Like the motion of the earth is the uniform motion because it covers equal distance in equal interval of time in the form of rotation and revolution. Like uniform motion example is the motion of the hand clock. It is also the uniform motion. Yeah, motion of an automobile transport on the straight path which does not have any traffic. That is uniform motion. Like this, what is non-uniform? When an object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then that motion is known as non-uniform motion. Like when an athlete move in a circular track, then that particular athlete have the non-uniform motion because the direction of the athlete is changed, due to which the distance per unit time is also changed. Like this, when an automobile transport or a car moves in the market, then it does not cover the equal distance in equal interval of time due to having the more traffic in the market. Like this, there are the uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration student. Uniform acceleration, it is the change in velocity per unit time. In the uniform acceleration, the velocity decreases or increases in equal interval of time. Means the amount of increases or decreases of velocity in equal interval of time is known as uniform acceleration. And what is non-uniform? If the velocity of an object increases or decreases amount is not equal to the equal interval of time, then that acceleration is known as non-uniform acceleration. Like here I am drawing the graph. It is the x-axis and it is the y-axis and it is the origin. In this, the object starts its motion from the origin, means from the zero velocity, and it has this type of graph. It is the velocity and it is the time. Here the acceleration is uniform student. Now in this, it is origin and it is x-axis and it is y-axis. In this, if the object starts its motion from the origin, and it has this type of graph like this, curved graph or curved path graph, then that acceleration can be considered as non-uniform acceleration. So it is the types of acceleration according to the time interval with the velocity of the objects. Now we come on the questions related to acceleration, student. So student, now we will discuss the numericals related to acceleration. First numerical that I have written here: a car starts from rest and attains a velocity 10 meter per second in 40 seconds. Find the acceleration. So in this, first what we will do, we will write the given student. And what is given in this? A car starts from rest. It means the initial velocity is given, and what is it? It is 0 meter per second. And attains a velocity means final velocity is given, it is 10 meter per second. In 40 seconds means the time is also given, it is 40 seconds. Now what we will do after writing the given, we will write the formula that we will use in this. So what is the formula for the acceleration, student? It is v minus u upon t. Now we will put all these quantities in this. Now in this, what is v here? It is 10. What is u here? It is 0. What is time here? It is 40. So it is 10 upon 40 means 0.25 meter per second square. It is the answer. Means it is the acceleration, students. 0.25 meter per second square. So for doing the numerical, what you will do, first you will read the question carefully, then try to find out all the quantities that are given in the question. All those quantities you will write as given, and after that you will write the formula, and after writing the formula you will put all the quantities in that formula and you will get the answer. Like this we will solve this question. A bus decreases its speed from 72 km per hour to 54 km per hour. Means a bus is moving and in front of the bus a cartman have come. Then what happens? The driver applies the brake, from which the velocity is decreased and it becomes from 72 km per hour to 54 km per hour. So with the help of this, what we have got, student, we have got the velocity, and in this the first velocity that is given, it is, first we will write the given, and what is given here? It is initial velocity means 72 km per hour. Final velocity is also given, it is 54 km per hour. Time is also given, it is 5 seconds. Now what we will do, because these velocities are given in kilometer per hour, student, so what will you do in this? You will convert them into meter per second. And how can you convert it? If you multiply it with 5 upon 80. It is the simple trick, student. With the help of that you can easily convert it into meter per second. 18 4 ja 72, 5 4 are 20, so it is 20 meter per second. Next is 54. Again you will multiply it by 5 upon 18. 18 3 are 54, and here it is 15 meter per second. Now there is no need to change this time because it is given in second. So we convert the units here. Now we will use the formula. What is the formula of acceleration? It is v minus u upon t. Now you put all this in this formula. V is here, it is 15, you write here 15. What is u here? It is 20, you write here 20. What is time here? It is 5, so you write here 5. Now in this, the acceleration that you will get here, student, it will be negative, because in this the initial velocity is more than the final velocity. That's why this acceleration is also known as retardation, student, or it is also known as negative acceleration. So acceleration we will get in the negative, and what will be it? It will be minus 5 upon 5. From 5 to 5 will be cut, and the acceleration will be minus 1 meter per second square. So it is the acceleration. So in this way you will get the acceleration, or you will solve the question related to acceleration, student. So thank you very much. Try to cover this all topic. Have a nice day.